Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Faradina binti Muhammad Khairul Faisul. My ID matrix is D012010127. This is my partner of Innovative Competition Exhibition 2021, Raja Shazani bin Raja Mansur.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Raja Shazani bin Raja Mansur from Group 1H. So I will present and explain about Task 2 and Task 3 for ICE project for Basic Electric AKP 1111. So let's get started.
The objective of project to let the group members apply the programming knowledge into real-world situation or problem and expose the students how programming skill helps in developing a good assistant engineer. Second, to enhance the skill of critical thinking and problem solving as well as communication skill and teamwork spirit while doing the project. Third, to expose the student to the use of many kind of source in gaining a knowledge and information. How we develop circuit for the project. This is the apps I use to solve my project problems. Among them are Arduino and also Proteus. Arduino is a single-board microcontroller that is open source, derived from the wiring platform designed to facilitate the use of electronics in various fields. I already have a means of USB communication, so the laptop user who do not have a serial port RS-323 can use it. So, let me show my simulation circuit development using Proteus software. The component we use for task 1 to task 3 is the resistor 1 kilo ohms, button, motor DC, switch, L293D, torch LDR, Arduino Uno, LED yellow, red, green, blue, ground and default. This is the task 1. We need to blink in LED. This task explores how computer and software engineers work to solve the challenge of a society, such as providing system for turning light on and off automatically. We need to set up and program an Arduino board to blink. In this task, we need to develop, build and wire a device with one or more LED, resistor and Arduino boards. Second, we need to program the device to blink the light. So, let me show how I conduct Arduino coding using Proteus.
Okay, this is my circuit from task 1 using Arduino boards. So from this task, we just only use 4 resistor for 1 kilo ohms, and then we use Arduino Uno and 4 different LED, which was yellow, red, green and blue. So after that, we use ground and juga default. The 4 pin, which is 13, 10, 7 and 3, connected to the Arduino are the output of the LED output. On this task, we reduce the use of the wire to be connected from the Arduino pin to the resistor, but we change from many wires to default. Okay, this is namely of default. So the name of LED is equal to the number of pin. Yes, so how we conduct the Arduino coding? So let me show coding. Okay, this is my coding for the task number 1 because we want to turn on LED for 2 seconds and then LED off for half second. So we set the delay of on is 2 seconds and off is 0.5 seconds. So let me explain about this coding. Okay, LED number 3, 7, 10 and 13 are the pin leg that they connected by Arduino, and that's why when we write voice setup, the 4 pin mode is the output. After that, when we want to blink each other or blink each LED, we have to set up delay near each LED, so the LED can blink one by one. For example, when pin 3 is high, the delay is 2 seconds. Then when the pin number 3 is low, so the delay is 0.5 seconds, and so on. Then how to enter this coding near Proteus is to find the HEX. Okay, this is the HEX, and then center Control C. After that, okay, C to HEX, and then Control C. Go to the Proteus and double click, and add program file. So okay, and then run, and you can see the LED first yellow on and off, and then the LED red on and then off, red green, and so the LED can be repeat yellow to blue and blue to yellow, and so on. Thank you.
Okay, for task 2, we explain about task 2, and the objective of task 2 is to stimulate the motor DC when LED is turned on and DC motor will run with 5 seconds. So I will design the circuit in Proteus. So the component if we want to use is Arduino Uno, microcontroller L293D, the button, 3 resistor, 2 LED, red and blue, and DC motor. So for the beginning, we use the coding for task 2 with DC motor. So here, if we can see, this is the coding for motor DC. So you've 2 motor here, pin on 5, 4, 12, 11 and A4. Pin mode 5, 4, 12, 11, A4, and A4 is input and the other is output. Void loop, button state, so digital read, and we use button state height. And for the pin 5 and 4, we use height low. So when we done on coding, so we can compile it. Bye. Wait. Okay, done. Copy. So we copy the text file data. So put the file data in this program file at Arduino Uno. Yes, okay, done. So we stimulate the It's okay. Okay. When the button, when the LED blue is turned on, the motor is not moving. So we wait for the 5 seconds, and the motor is moving. Wait for 5 seconds and LED red is turned on, then the motor DC is off. Okay, that's how the motor DC is going on. So we will see for task 3. Okay, we will continue for task 3. So task 3, our group must put the light tracking robot. So the objective of task 3 is to develop light tracking robot with 2 LDR and 2 DC motor. So for the first, we must put a light tracking robot in Proteus. So the component we must use is, the basic is Arduino, 2 LEDR and 2 DC motor. So for put some creativity, our group use LCD to show the which side the robot will go, and microcontroller for of LED blue and resistor. So we go to the Arduino coding. Okay, for the coding, LED we use pin 11, 10, 9, 8, and the LCD we use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pin. If you row and column of 16 and 2. For the motor, we use pin 13, 12, 0 and 7. And for LDR or sensor, we use A0 and A4. Okay, setup for LED and motor, we use output and LCD, digital write, LED height, and LCD appear ICE project 2021, delay for 2 seconds, and the LCD will turn on, will turn off, and the LCD shows the DAKP 111 basic electric, and delay 2 seconds, and the LCD is 0. So when we construct the light tracking robot, the LCD will show the vote and the side of the which side tracking robot will go, to the left or the right. So we use the vote 4 until 2. So if the vote is more than 4 votes, so the robot will go to the left, and if vote is equal to 2 or until 4, the robot will go straight, and if vote is at less than 2, the robot will go to the left. You see that? Okay, so let's start compile. Okay, done compile. Get the file data, copy and paste to the program file at Arduino Uno. So we copy this, add program file of Arduino Uno. Okay, so we construct we stimulate the electric robot. Okay, so here you go. The LCD we show the SCI project 2021. The LED is turned on and the motor DC is moved.